Elevator surveillance compliance, understanding elevator video monitoring legal issues. Introduction. Incorporating video monitoring in elevators has become a fundamental aspect of building security strategies, combining technological advancements with the paramount importance of safety. However, the implementation of these systems brings up intricate legal factors, especially when it comes to privacy and compliance with regulations. By offering valuable insights and in-depth knowledge, this guide empowers building managers and owners to navigate the intricate landscape of elevator surveillance compliance and operate their facilities within the boundaries of the law. Understanding the legal landscape of elevator surveillance compliance and video monitoring. Understanding the legalities of elevator surveillance calls for a deep understanding of privacy laws and surveillance regulations. The purpose of this section is to establish the necessary framework for developing a monitoring system that meets elevator surveillance compliance standards, ensuring the protection of individuals' rights and minimizing legal risks. Federal and state privacy laws. A patchwork of privacy laws governs elevator surveillance compliance in the United States, creating a complex mosaic of regulations. For example, the ECPA sets a federal baseline, whereas states such as California establish stricter regulations through laws like the CCPA. According to a 2021 survey by the IAPP, over 60% of companies are allocating additional resources to ensure compliance with these changing state laws, highlighting the significance of a thorough legal approach. International privacy regulations. The GDPR, on a global scale, imposes a strict privacy framework that affects any organization that deals with the data of EU citizens. Non-compliance with data protection measures in elevator surveillance systems can result in fines that can reach up to 4% of the company's annual global turnover, serving as a powerful reminder of the importance of strict adherence to these measures. Consent and privacy expectations. Managing privacy expectations is crucial, particularly in semi-private spaces such as elevators, where conversations can be overheard easily. A straightforward way to ease privacy concerns is by implementing signage that clearly communicates the use of surveillance. Compliance and notification requirements. Transparency in surveillance practices not only fulfills legal obligations but also creates a sense of trust and security among building occupants. Therefore, in this section, you will find practical guidelines on how to achieve transparency and ensure compliance. Signage and notification guidelines. Effective signage should be easily noticeable, providing individuals with immediate awareness of surveillance practices through clear and informative messaging. Make it a habit to regularly review signage placement and wording to ensure compliance with the latest legal standards and maximum clarity for all building occupants. Consent procedures. Digital consent mechanisms are particularly useful in jurisdictions that require explicit consent, as they streamline the process. Incorporating consent into building access protocols or using digital platforms allows for both compliance and streamlined operations. Legal implications of noncompliance. Noncompliance can have severe consequences, including financial penalties and harm to one's reputation. Therefore, seeking advice from legal experts on a regular basis can offer practical strategies for staying ahead of regulatory changes, effectively mitigating the risk of legal disputes. Data protection and security measures. In 2019, the FBI issued a warning about the security risks associated with unsecured IoT devices, including surveillance cameras that can be hacked. The warning underscores the urgent need for robust data protection and security measures in elevator surveillance systems to ensure the safety and privacy of information. Protecting video data. Safeguarding surveillance data requires adopting encryption for stored footage and implementing robust access controls. Conducting periodic security audits can reveal any potential vulnerabilities, helping to keep data protection practices up to date with evolving threats. Access control and privacy. Restricting access to authorized personnel is a crucial element in safeguarding privacy. To maintain data integrity and prevent unauthorized access or breaches, it is advisable to establish a well-defined protocol for data access. This should involve implementing logging and monitoring systems to track access activities. Regular compliance audits. By conducting compliance audits, organizations can uncover gaps within their legal and security frameworks that may otherwise go unnoticed. Seeking the assistance of third-party auditors can deliver an objective assessment of compliance efforts, supplying valuable recommendations for continuous improvement. Handling legal disputes and complaints. Prioritizing a proactive approach to dispute resolution highlights the organization's focus on upholding privacy and meeting legal obligations. This section provides practical techniques for efficiently handling complaints and resolving disputes. Strategies for dispute resolution. The key to a smooth and efficient resolution lies in establishing a clear and accessible process for lodging and resolving complaints. Ensuring concerns are promptly and effectively addressed may require the involvement of a privacy officer or team. Legal and ethical considerations. In complex disputes, ethical considerations should shape and influence the entire resolution process. Opting for mediation or arbitration provides an alternative to litigation, fostering resolution while maintaining relationships and respecting privacy. Best practices for legal compliance. Staying informed and proactive are key tenets of maintaining elevator surveillance compliance. Hence, this section offers tips and insights for upholding legal standards in surveillance operations. Staying informed on legal changes. Subscribing to legal newsletters and engaging with professional privacy and legal organizations can keep building managers and owners informed of changes in privacy laws, offering a strategic advantage in elevator surveillance compliance efforts. Compliance surveillance systems. Privacy impact assessments provide a practical means of assessing the privacy implications of surveillance systems. These assessments can provide valuable insights into selecting privacy-enhancing technologies and practices, guaranteeing that surveillance operations uphold individual privacy rights. Successful legal compliance. Companies that successfully implement elevator surveillance systems often share common traits: a firm commitment to privacy, regular legal reviews, and transparent communication with stakeholders. These practices not only ensure compliance but also enhance the trust and security of building occupants. Learning from noncompliance. Analyzing instances of noncompliance provides valuable lessons in the importance of diligence in privacy practices. These enlightening instances underscore the need for a proactive stance on legal compliance, highlighting the potential consequences of oversight or noncompliance. Conclusion. In conclusion, careful compliance with elevator video monitoring can balance security and privacy. Partnering with experienced providers like ElevatorMonitoring.net powered by InstaAnswer can offer valuable support in achieving these objectives, leveraging over 50 years of experience in delivering exceptional customer experiences and tailored services across industries. Partner with ElevatorMonitoring.net powered by InstaAnswer. The right expertise and support make elevator surveillance compliance manageable. ElevatorMonitoring.net powered by InstaAnswer has over 50 years of experience in providing exceptional customer experiences and tailored services for companies of all sizes and industries. Our expertise guarantees compliance and operational excellence in elevator video monitoring. Partner with us to navigate the complexities of elevator surveillance legal issues confidently. To find out how ElevatorMonitoring.net can help your business better manage your elevator video monitoring operations, contact us for a free consultation. You can reach us by phone at 1-877-631-9711 or by email at support@iacaller.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Summary. Elevator video monitoring is now common in commercial buildings, driven by the need for security and safety. However, the deployment of surveillance technologies must comply with privacy laws and regulations. This article has explored the multifaceted legal considerations surrounding elevator surveillance compliance, highlighting the importance of understanding federal and state privacy laws, international privacy regulations, and the nuanced expectations of privacy. Key to lawful operations are the implementation of compliance and notification requirements, rigorous data protection and security measures, effective handling of legal disputes and complaints, and the adoption of best practices for legal compliance. Building managers and owners are advised to stay informed about legal changes, engage with legal and privacy experts, and prioritize the privacy and security of surveillance data. Through a proactive approach to compliance, transparency in surveillance practices, and a commitment to ethical considerations, it is possible to successfully navigate the legal challenges posed by elevator video monitoring. Real-world examples and case studies underscore the value of learning from both successes and failures in the field, providing actionable insights for those responsible for overseeing these surveillance systems. You have reached the end of this post. Thank you for listening and have a great day.